Hi students, this is your teacher Emily, and I have an announcement to share with you, which is that we are going to be beginning a conversation class that will meet once a week in the evening on Mondays. It will be a live class on Zoom where you'll meet me and other students at your level, and we'll have some live conversation practice. So I know many students are looking for more of that, especially since you are studying at home and it's difficult to get out in a normal way right now. So we are really excited to offer this to you this semester. So the class is going to begin next Monday, October 19th. So not tomorrow, but 1 week after. We will do this class 5 times this semester. So just to try it out, your level will be meeting on Monday evening at 7:30. That will be for my Conversation 2 level class. 7:30 to 8:30 on Monday evenings. So I'm going to drop a link into the chat also so that you can register for the class. This will let me know how many students to expect. And before the class, I will send you a lesson that you can practice in Burlington to prepare for the class. And then after the class, I'll give you some follow-up exercises to do in Burlington English to practice what we do in the class. I also want you to know that the hour that you spend on the conversation call will count toward your weekly total of hours for Burlington. So this will be another way to help you get the time that you need every week. So I hope you can join me. 7:30 on Monday night is my Conversation 2 class, which is your level. And please let me know if you have any questions or if you have trouble registering for the class. I'll put the link there, and make sure that you put it on your calendar and sign up this week if you are going to join me next week. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and I will be in touch with you this week, and more from us tomorrow too with the video lesson on Monday. Thank you everybody, and I hope to see you on the class next week.